You had to figure out the song from the picture. One of the boxes was divided into 3 sections that had nothing but snowflakes. Not one person in the class guessed the song.
What was it?
Let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome aboard the Wilmington and Western Railroad. My name is Nathan. I'll be your conductor this evening. Before we get underway, I do appreciate your brief attention while I go over some of our rules for both your comfort and your safety. Passengers are asked to remain seated while the train is in motion. Passengers are not permitted to stand on the open platform or move between cars while the train is moving. If you open your window, please make sure it's securely latched and please keep all head, hands, and arms inside the car at all times. There is a restroom in each car. They're not just for show. They do work and they're there for your convenience. And finally, I'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board the train. This evening, we will have lighting displays on both the left side and the right side. Our first lighting display will be on the left side of the train, followed by the right side of the train. If you make friends with your neighbor, feel free to switch sides that you're sitting on the second half of the trip. Again, welcome aboard the Wilmington and Western Railroad. This is the 7 o'clock departure of the Holiday Lights Express. Welcome aboard.
I'm trying to play a freaking video.
I love train rides. I used to go to New York. I have to go once a year to New York for Mary's pathologist or hematologist like him.
Right, sir?
Fine. And,
Is it clear enough through the moisture?
The camera's really good at seeing through things right next to it.
Remember that guy from Strasburg, the station master? I love this place.
could have gotten an earlier or later train ride. One more after this one. And I said 7. I thought that would be between, you know.
Is this steamer?
You're
very welcome.
Hi, piece of chocolate?
Oh, they have a train set up.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's a Mini Polar Express. They had a Mini Polar Express set up back there.
Thank you.
Want one, Jeff?
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.